YouTube, we're back. Today we have another product review. We have an electric fireplace heater. Let's open this puppy up. Nice big box. Today we're gonna be using the Finch Runtley. Look at that puppy. It's almost like it's made for the box openings. Let's get that first look together here, peeps. So nice big box. Nice big package. There we go. A little upside down action for you, but electric fireplace. Looks nice. Let's get this out of the box. I'm gonna get everything out of this box and then lay it all out. But I'm gonna say that, like, the shipment through Amazon, as per usual, packaged pretty nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and slice into the packaging here, the rest of the packaging for the Rintuf heater. And we'll get it all laid out and show you what we have. 1500 watts, by the way. Should heat some stuff up. Some space to enjoy. And here's the contents kind of laid out. Again, this was packaged nice as well inside the interior box. So here we have our heater, our accessories, and then we have our manual and remote. Seems to be about it. Just keep you apprised on the progress here. Inside the electric fireplace accessories box, it appears that we had some legs and some screws or bolts to attach them. All right, good people, we have returned and the assembly has been completed. I didn't even need the Jenny for this one. This was super easy. So essentially for the assembly, we're gonna connect the 4 legs and it's just gonna take 2 screws per leg. After that, installation has been complete. Here's a look at one of those legs right there. All right, we can now move along to the remote and how to operate this thing. A rundown of included remote. So up top, we're gonna have color A and color B. One's gonna be for the flame, the other's gonna be for the logs. We're gonna have the dimmer switch, and then we're gonna have the heat, the blower for the heat, the timer, and then the on-off button. All right, let's take a second to marvel in this baby. It's a beautiful looking little fireplace unit, eh? So we do have some stickerage up top, warning do not cover, and grill surface gets hot. So yeah, right here is where we're gonna have our heater come out, or our heat rather. Now for the doors, you can open the doors. The right opens first, then the left, and there is a magnetic closure on those as well. And then we also have controls down here on the bottom. See if we can hear the magnet catch. It's pretty strong. Nice setup. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna call this guy Carl. Let's hit Carl with a little power on action, if we will. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, so let's go through the colors, shall we? So we're gonna use the color A button in the top left-hand corner and to cycle through. So there's 1 option. There's 2. I like that one. There's 3. And then number 4. A little bit more blue in there as well. We also have like a little indicator right there that shows us what number. Next up, color B. And that's going to be for the logs. Let's go through those options. So this is option 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next up, dimmer action. Right up top there. Show you the different levels of the dimmer. Here we go. Level 1, 2, 3. Again, see the L for level and 3. Level 4, and level 5. Pretty nice. People, let's go ahead and continue our tour. This time with the heater right there on the left. Let's go ahead and turn that on. So you can see, again, our little indicator there was flashing 1, so that's level 1. Right there goes up to level 2, and then we have off. So let's go ahead and throw that on to level 2, and we're gonna watch that heat up and warm up. There's some juicy heat action. Here it comes, I can see it, can you? It's feeling nice and warm already. So with our heater, we're going to be doing 500 watts on our first level and then 1500 watts on our second level. Warm air and then hot air. Next up, let's go over our speed for the fan there. So it's 5 speeds on the fan. We're going to see our indicator going to come on right here. We are on level 1. So there goes U for level 2. Level 3, level 4, and then level 5, all the way up. Once more to cycle back through. Last thing to go over on the remote, let's do the timer. So again, let's go ahead and look down here, and we're gonna show up. There we go, we have 1 hour, 2, all the way up to 8 hours. Pretty nice. All right, peeps, I'm gonna honestly say that this is a would recommend. This little fireplace is pretty awesome. This thing is pretty lightweight too. We'll go ahead and put the weight in and text there. I mean, you can move this thing around the house with relative ease. Just make sure to keep it away from the wall. Pull it out from the wall just a little bit, give it some space. This thing works pretty nice though. It puts out some heat, and really love the colors. I'm actually really love the blue ones myself. I think that's pretty, pretty poppin'. So definitely would recommend. Make sure to check out the links below to pick up your very own fireplace. People, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. We'd love that. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye. Kind of really digging the color too. It's kind of like a blue-gray. It's nice and subtle. Goes well with like the floor and the gray wall. Modern vintage.